I'm going to show you how to tie the poacher's knot. The poacher's knot is a super good knot to create a sliding loop on the end of a rope that is also secure compared to the slip knot, which is very testy and can fall apart. The poacher's knot is pretty easy to tie. You need to get a lot of running end on the end of your rope here, more than you ever think. And then we'll just create a bite here. What we're going to do is create a loop like this, and then you're going to come over the rope once, and I'm going to show you the trick and secret of why this is such a powerful knot. You come over once, so you get two parallel loops here, just like that, and then you're going to come over again, and with your running end here, once you've got these two loops here, see where my finger is? You're going to follow the running end through these two loops, just like this, without falling off your strangle side, and then you're going to simply pull until the knot tightens up, and you end up with a very nice knot that is very symmetric, and it will not fall apart, unlike the slip knot. This one doesn't twist or unravel, and it's called the poacher's knot because if an animal runs through there and it snares, it'll, poor little animal, but sometimes you got to eat, like on Survivor. Now I'm going to show you the trick of this knot. If you look on the front, that's where people usually tie it as a demo. You say, oh, this is special and unique. No, not quite. If you look on the back, you will notice that this is half of a double fisherman's bend. So even though the tying direction appears to be different, if you know how to tie the double fisherman's bend, which is featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know, you can create a highly secure sliding knot that always strangles and it does not come undone compared to the slip knot. And I'm going to show you classic rookie mistake on this knot is simply coming around the single time, passing a knot through or the rope through, and then you just get a single overhand knot, which is just a slip knot, no big deal, right? You think, oh, that's secure enough? Let me show you what happens. If you tie the slip knot incorrectly on the running end, let's just say you tie it this way, you think, oh, you're pretty good, watch what happens. Shoop! And then you die, or your animal escapes or whatever. So even though the slip knot is very, very handy, you have to make sure to use the load side as the slip, but this is not a secure knot. Compare that again to the poacher's knot. I'll tie it very quickly here, just to get back in business, to give you a comparison. 1, 2, drop it through just like that, just like the double fisherman's bend. And this is what everybody shows it, like, oh yeah, okay, hey, comes through. But just like the double fisherman's bend, you can bet your life on a double fisherman's bend, which I have. And now that will not come undone. It doesn't act weird or have any directionality like a slip knot does. This knot is super, super handy if you need a sliding knot that also won't come undone, and it'll hold and be secure. Knots like the poacher's knot and others are featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know, links below. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. This is a really neat knot to create a sliding knot. Thank you very much for watching.